already. I just want to know how come it's not using the word pound in this name. What up, what up? We're here at the Morenta de Leme, otherwise known as Leme Wall. It's at the end of the beach in Leme. You got a big mountain. It's kind of close to Sugarloaf Mountain, but on a different side. But just a bunch of bars and stuff, people getting together, drinking, doing what they do. A little bit of other stuff too, but we're not gonna talk about all that. You see the view? So we're gonna take a little walk and see what's at the back of this path here. It's nighttime, so hope I don't get hemmed up or something, but I'm with somebody I trust, so I doubt something's gonna happen. We out here. Dark as hell back here.
A gente comeu em cima da água. A água tá. Ó. Olha.
Pretty sure you can't see me right now. There's no lights out here, but you know it's pretty safe. I don't even want to say it's pretty safe, like it's a little bit of danger. It's safe. Nobody trying to rob you or nothing like that. Just over the water at this point, looking at the waves, which I can see fine, but this camera obviously not catching them. Trying to give y'all some footage. I'm trying to give y'all some footage the best way I can. And that's Ipanema way down there on the other side. And they also have an area similar to this called Apador, which I'm gonna go to one day. Y'all see that too, if y'all haven't seen it already. Onde você vai?
Oi?
Onde você vai agora?
Agora eu vou pra casa, tomar banho, colocar roupa, pegar a barraca e colocar. Trocar a roupa.
Eu também.
A roupa.
Não, é segredo?
You're gonna start walking into me.
Oi?
You're gonna start walking into me.
Não cai.
Muitos perros. Muitos perros. It's no frio.
Muito frio.
Você need the jacket.
Frio, frio.
Come on. These people might have some bone food.
Essa não dá o jogo, não. Deu um visual, né?
Deu um porra. Agora deu um chão mesmo, hein, chão? Tá de parabéns, tá? É Marius.
I told you, eu disse.
Sim, Marius. Lindo ele, ó.
Sim.
Ah, lindo, lindo, lindo. Maravilhoso.
Sim.